Hi guys. Before starting this, I want to something say something. We are providing all type of questions, answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. So if you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093682238. If you need online tuition, so we provide also this. And right now, the question number 2B is saying that Miss Radha is running a business of heavy machinery and she wants to expand her business to different state. Suggest her most suitable mode of transport with its benefits. So basically, this question is from business studies, and we have prepared all the answers accordingly from lesson wise, from word limit wise, and if you need this, you can contact us anytime. We provide all the answers according to your satisfaction and according to the your subject also. So here, thank you so much for watching. You can save our number for future purposes also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.